Factory Intelligent Distribution Robot Solution. Place the items on the robot. Click the Start button.
Okay, let's start the task.
And the robot automatically executes the distribution task. During the operation, it autonomously plans the distribution path, actively avoids obstacles, and runs more stable and safer. It can autonomously take the elevator, perform distribution tasks across floors, automatically open and close doors, and run smoothly without obstruction. After reaching the destination, the voice broadcasts to pick up the items. Your requested item has been delivered. Please take it in time. After completing the task, it automatically returns to the starting point and waits for the next distribution task.